Good morning. We are the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 5 and today we are here to present the innovative idea for the competition. Our idea focuses on the improving the safety of two-wheeler riders. Something simple but very important. We call it No Start with a Stand Down Safety System, a system that ensures the vehicle won't turn on until the side stand.
Accidents happen when the rider forgets to remove the side stand before starting their two-wheelers. To avoid this, a new safety system can be added to prevent the vehicle from starting if the stand is not removed.
Simple, but it is very effective. We propose installing a sensor near the side stand that detects whether the stand is up or down. If the stand is down, the vehicle's ignition system will remain locked and the bike will not start. Only when the side stand is lifted, the circuit will be complete, allowing the vehicle to start safely.
These smart features, we can greatly reduce the number of accidents caused by carelessness and improve overall road safety. It is simple and yet highly effective step towards safer and smarter vehicle, especially for two-vehicle users.
Thank you.